It's sunnier than most days. You'll never see the sky if you keep looking down. And if you...
Hello everyone, welcome back, and today in this video we are going to be transforming our room into something that we wanted to do for so long, and we finally got the time as well as the stuff that we needed. So our room is already aesthetic, but we really wanted to incorporate some dreamy and TikTok Pinterest vibes to it, because at night it does not look good at all. It just looks like a simple dark room, and we're gonna show you guys and tell you guys what we are going to be doing. Firstly, as you guys can see, we got like these prints, and they are on simple paper. We got all the images from Pinterest, I believe, and we'll link the Pinterest board down below. If you want to, you can check out our Pinterest, which is at @itsDIYTwins. So yes, these are all the prints that we got. Like, let me show you guys all of them. So these are some different prints that we got. So we actually got like these ones, like actually the same ones, in a pretty small version. Like they're maybe 4 inches or 3 inches small. So yes, we also got these prints to attach them on our desks so that it looks really nice. And nextly, let's just move all these pages because like there's so much. So nextly we also got like these vines, and these vines are actually really big. Like the leaf, you guys can see, these are big. Usually the vines that you see in everybody's room, they're pretty small, but that's what we got. And anyways, we're gonna work with them too. And then we also got this like projector. We'll show you guys how it looks like. Let me set the camera. We don't act like that we never opened it, whereas we opened it and used it and saw if it's working, or we just got scammed. But we are gonna open it anyways and act like we never opened. So yeah, yes. Let's just get started. This is how the box looks like, pretty like weird, and I didn't expect it to be like this small, but it is actually this small. So what can we do? Nothing. And this is how it opens, and it came in this bubble kind of wrapping. Like this whole package was also wrapped with bubble paper and bubble sheet, bubble wrap, whatever. But this is how the projector looks like. I know the iOS is like too much, so this is how the projector looks like. And from the front side it also looks like this. So, and it also came with this manual, which is how to use this projector, if you guys can see anything due to the lighting. But anyways, we're gonna like turn it on and show you guys at night. Guys, we literally forgot to show you guys the LED lights. So we opened this one, which doesn't have the package that it should be, like the background thing. So we checked if they're working or not. But we got like these LED lights, and they're simple LED lights that have like different colors. So nothing much. We're gonna use them to transform our room. And now that we have shown you guys our supplies and everything, we are going to be putting the things up onto the wall and pasting them. So let's get started. So this is how the corner looks like. It's right next to our study tables, and this area is pretty much like empty, and these bottles have been hanging right here since maybe like 7 months or more than that. But like, we don't like the vibe of this one. Yeah, it's been almost 1 year since they're hanging right here and probably dead. So we're gonna remove all these things, and we're gonna attach these prints. But first, these prints right here, like look at this, how big and thick it is, like almost the size of a book. But we have to like cut all of them, RIP our hands. So yes, we're going to be cutting them off, and then we'll show you guys how we'll just attach everything. Okay guys, so as you guys can see, we are done trimming all of them. So like almost all of them, and we have displayed these pictures, and we are seeing like if the setting is looking good or not. But we are actually liking this one, so we're definitely gonna put them like this way. So let's just get started and put them onto the wall. how the finished look is, and I am literally loving the vine, the prints, and everything you guys can see. And these prints will be linked in the description box down below on our Pinterest, and also follow us on our Instagram. So yes, that is at @itsDIY_twins, like both of the accounts. So guys, this is our study area, like study tables, and we actually don't like it because it's like so dark, and we don't study here just because it's like so dark. Let me show you. Yeah, so you guys can see this is like pretty dark, so, and overcrowded. So what we are gonna do is to like insert some LED lights around like the inner side, and we were actually inspired by Carmen. So yeah, so as you guys can see, the study table is like pretty in bad condition. So you guys can see it's chipped and the paint is coming off. That is because we used this table for like crafting and stuff, and it actually made it worse.
For the glass house to calm down, waiting to hear that crashing sound, waiting for the right words to tell you how. I don't wanna be false, I pretend we're picture perfect when we're breaking beneath the surface. I don't wanna be false, I make love like we deserve it, to cover up what's hurting. Hey, I don't wanna be false.
Hey guys, it's much later, and now the paint is dried. And if you guys are seeing this color white, you are right, because for some reasons the pink paint turned into a white paint, and we don't even know why this happened. Maybe because we got some sort of magic paint or stuff like that. And you guys, like, it doesn't look that bad, to be honest. Yeah, totally. Like, it does kinda, but it just goes with the room because we have somewhat white in our room too. And if you guys are thinking you guys are colorblind, you picked up the pink paint and it turned out to be white, it is not like that. We are not colorblind because the pink was actually pink. You guys saw it. When we opened the color, it was dark pink, and then we mixed it, it was light pink. And now it dried to white. What happened, we don't know, but apparently we have to work with this, and let's decorate this thing and give it a makeover. Yes, give it a makeover. So okay guys, as you guys can see, the lights are turned on, and now we are thinking of putting the prints right here so you guys can see how the prints are. Hey guys, so this is the area that we have. What has happened to this print? Anyways, this is the area that we already have, and this area is pretty much good, and we want to like transform this area to a little bit, like we have to attach the wine right here. Okay, guys, so this wall is actually filled with prints, but the bottom side is really like left out, and we didn't have the time and we didn't want to fill it all over, so we had like these prints left when we did this wall, so we decided to put them onto the bottom side so that it looked more cohesive and filled. So we're gonna put these prints on the bottom side, and we'll see you guys. Yes guys, we are all done, and this is how the whole wall looks like. Okay guys, so now it's time for us to put the LED lights around the bed. Initially we wanted to like remove the background, like these fairy lights, but then we thought that it is needed for our like DIY videos and like sit down videos, so we are gonna just like keep it. Okay guys, so now we have unboxed the projector. It was already unboxed, but now we are going to be turning it on and showing you guys how it looks. And the whole setup, like the whole room, is pretty much done right now, and we are going to be showing you guys how the room looks like as well as this projector. And we're gonna turn this on and tell you guys how it looks like. So yes.
It's sunny at most days. You'll never see the sky if you keep looking down. And if you take the wrong way, then maybe you should stay instead of turning around. So would you keep on going? I know.
Okay, so we're gonna put these candles, and these were like the DIY that we made. So guys, we added a few of our DIY pieces to this table, and it actually does look good. This pot we made in our previous videos, which you can watch. And then we have this blob mirror, and yeah, it is handmade by us too. Guys, so that is it for today's video as well as transformation. Hope you guys liked it as much as we did it. And all of our socials are in the description box down below, so make sure to follow. But before that, make sure to like this video and subscribe if you haven't, because we will be posting some more lifestyle content for you guys as our exams are coming really soon. So we'll try to post some kind of study with us kind of content. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching all of our videos and commenting on them. We love you guys so much, and we'll catch you guys later in the next video. Till then, peace out.
I wanna be false, I pretend we're picture perfect.